What's up, guys? Little tech tip here if you're getting a leak on your 2-in-1 exhaust. Now, depending on the manufacturer, some recommend right from the instructions that you want to put a high silicone temp gasket maker on the collector area. So if you have a used exhaust and it's leaking out of the header pipes right at the collector, what you can do is remove it, clean it up really well. This is the one that I recommend. This actually comes with Cone Engineering. This is a Two Brothers exhaust, but anytime I'm installing a 2-in-1 exhaust, I like to put the high temp silicone sealant on there because they will leak over time right there. So if yours is already leaking, it's best just to pull it off, clean it up really well, put some high temp silicone on it, and that will seal the exhaust up. And now that's from multiple manufacturers recommend that, so that's not just me saying that. As always, guys, please like and subscribe. Thanks.